Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set Bluetooth options on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on this menu icon in the upper left corner and tap on Settings. Scroll down to the Features section and here click on Bluetooth, which is the fifth option. Here you can see that the default option is device default, marked with the check mark icon. Below you can find the play over phone speaker feature, meaning that it plays sounds, voice instructions and alerts from an externally connected speaker or the phone speaker. And if you enable this feature, you can play over Bluetooth, play the voice instructions and notifications from another output device, for example car radio or hands-free device. You can also turn on this feature by tapping on this button down below on the right side. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.